Now, Baringo Senator Gideon Moi has reiterated the urgency to resolve issues surrounding the Mau Forest Complex and settle those affected by evictions before the 2022 general elections. Speaking in Longisa in the county of Bomet, Senator Moi said that he will continue leading efforts through all means, including dialogue, to ensure no single family is left in the cold. KTN's Ibrahim Karanja reports from the Central Rift.
In his tour of Mulot and Longisa in the county of Bomet, KANU chairman Gideon Moi, who has been leading the resettlement plan for Mau Forest evictees, once again reiterated the need to dispense with the matter urgently. Senator Moi calling on fellow leaders to focus on the matter at hand, then do 2022 politics later.
Wanende momja galale gale chubo 2022 oge targale chubo ne chubo Mau. So nota orota to non euro you amacha Mau kazi na nyune na amacha ayai kutoma ge 2022. At
least 10,000 families were evicted from the forest in 2019, following plans by the government to reclaim the Mau Forest, the largest water tower in the country. The Kenyatta succession and BBI politics also played out, with leaders present affirming that the Baringo senator fits the bill to occupy the house on the hill.
It's about time now that we also support our own as KANU. And in the order of hierarchy, in the hierarchy of who we have, Chairman, we have you. And so far, so good.
Na mambo ya serikali unajua inapangwa. Tunajua serikali lazima ipangwe. Ndio fulani awe kitu fulani, ndio fulani awe namna hii, lazima ipangwe.
Tutakuwa na Rainbow 2022. Na hiyo Rainbow Gideon atakuwa ndani. Unasikia?
Gideon Moi, you are the blood son of the President Moi. Me, William Chepkut. I'm the only human soul alive who believed in Moi. Even in heaven, I still believe in him.
Anataka kukataa kiti. Watu wa Bomet muko tayari kupata kiti ya president.
Friday's Bomet tour also saw Moi open another KANU branch office in Mulot, in line with his bid to strengthen the party, which will be his vehicle to State House come 2022. Ibrahim Karanja, KTN News.
And on that political note, we're going to take a short break, but when we come back, we have more news lined up for you, including why comedian Eric Omondi is in hot soup. Do stay tuned to Friday Briefing.